everyone. Actually, now we are going to do the white patch cover up on the skin. Particularly, we have done the patch test earlier and it's got successful, so we are going to do on the remaining places of his body now, especially on the leg. Now I am matching with the exact skin tone. As you can see, the color which I am doing is completely matching with the skin tone, but due to the process of doing it, there are small bleeding and little reddishness will be there, but that's completely normal. It's all will be getting settled down. So I'm matching with the exact skin tone and we are covering it up. So the process is getting smoother. I'm going to cover that whole place, the exact skin tone. See, the color tone which I'm doing is different and the output which is coming is different. That's because of that reddishness and the small bleeding. But once got healed, you will achieve the exact skin tone, so you don't need to worry about it. So see the process, it's matching it up. By adjusting the stones to the exact skin tone, once it's got healed, surely we can achieve the much more better output. So the process is happening. This client came from all over from Gurgaon. So he got a patch test done and the patch test got successful, so he's happy and getting it done in the remaining places of his body also now. So the process is going much more smoother now and it's getting a better output. If you guys want to know any more information, or if you want to get the service done, if you want to book an appointment, please do contact us. The number mentioned in the screen, which is 965995993. Our relationship manager will be help you out, or they'll transfer the call to the Vitiligo treatment department, Machu clinic, so they'll be help you out with all this process, so you'll get a much more better idea regarding this. So the process is going so smooth and it's matching it up with the exact skin tone. As you can see, that small reddishness and the small bleeding is completely normal. It's all will be get settled down after 2 to 3 hours, so you don't need to worry about it. All you need to think about is matching with the exact skin tone. By making a one tone darker than actual skin tone, we can achieve the exact skin tone. Or if you make the exact skin tone during the process, once got healed, it will become more lighter, so it will be all looks patch. So there is no use of doing this treatment, right? That's why we are making one tone darker than actual skin tone.